Hi, I'm Chris from Pyrodigital, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to use direct firing. To enter direct firing in the manual fire operating mode, press Go to Address. Now simply type in a 3-digit firing address. In this case I will do 060. Now you can fire by using either your deadman picker or the keyboard. Hold the Enable key and press Fire. You can jump through the addresses by using the up and down key to jump by one, or you can use the left and right arrow key to jump between the different firing modules. Thank you for watching. As always, you can find more information on our website pyrodigital.com. See you in the next episode. Bye!